Hey YouTube, hey Georgia Bigfoot here. Quick video about Dukes Heavy Duty Mayonnaise. Can you believe that this heavy duty mayonnaise made by CF Sour Company, Dukes, famous mayonnaise, there are no videos about this on all of YouTube? That seems fishy to me. Anyway, I bought this at Costco. It was like 10 bucks. I wanted to see what the whole heavy duty mayonnaise was all about. And you know what? It is off the charts. Thick and rich and creamy and very, very tasty. And I looked at the nutrition facts compared to Duke's regular mayonnaise like you buy in the store, and it's actually, the nutrition facts are slightly different. Look how thick this is. I'm gonna take a big spoon, stick it in there, and look, now I'm not even sticking it in all the way, and it's standing up. It's that thick. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all a little secret about how to make the best ranch dressing that you can't buy in stores. I normally make it with just regular mayonnaise, but I'm upping it a notch by making it with this heavy duty product. I use the ranch seasoning from Hidden Valley. For a 32-ounce serving of dressing, you use 22.7 grams of dressing mix, 16 ounces of Borden Whole Buttermilk, and 16 ounces of this Dukes mayonnaise. And of course, in this case, it's the Dukes Heavy Duty Mayonnaise. I know it looks crazy, but you mix it in there with the buttermilk and the seasoning mix, and you stir it up. And then what you're gonna wind up letting it do is just throwing it in the fridge to chill. And it makes the dressing that when you taste it, you're gonna be like, this is the dressing I've tasted in all these restaurants I've been to. And it is so thick, it is so rich, it is just unbelievable. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. And hey, CF Sour, how is it I can put together a video about your heavy duty mayonnaise and you guys can't? Yum, it's so good. It's really good with wings and everything.